Hello, everyone. We're starting a new week. New week of November 25th will be tomorrow, Sunday. And so the week is November 25th to the 29th, which means we will have 4 more IXL lessons. So this week we are doing level G, and the 4 lessons are Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q5. So let's go down to Q1. We'll start there. And notice we're doing algebra, simplifying expressions using the order of operations. Okay, so if you have a problem like this, 8 minus 6 divided by 3 plus 2. Remember, you need to do with orders of operation. It is PEMDAS, which is parentheses first, then exponents, then multiplication and division are really the same level, and then addition and subtraction are the same level. Okay, so we're going to start here. We're going to do the division first. Okay, so you can say 6 divided by 3 is 2, so that would be 8 minus 2 plus 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So the answer here is 8. Okay, next, here, look at all of them. We have a multiplication here and a multiplication here, addition there. So we need to do multiplication first. 4 times 2 is 8, and this is 6 times 1. 6 times 1 is 6. So we have 8 plus 6, which is 14. Okay, next we have a division, multiplication, addition. We need to do the division and the multiplication. Okay, so we start off, because these are in the same level, you really need to start like you're reading. So we're going to do the division first here. So that would be 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 times 8 is 24. 24 plus 8 is 32. Okay, next we have a multiplication, division, and then addition. Again, because multiplication and division are really the same level. So you just like you're reading, you're going to do the multiplication first. So that was because you come to it first. So we have 9 times 2 is 18. 18 divided by 6 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Oh, 6. There we go. Okay, next we have addition, division, and subtraction. We need to do the division first. That's 9 divided by 1 is 9. Then we have 3, so that means we have 3 plus 9 minus 9. So 3 plus 9 is 12. 12 minus 9 is 3. Next, we have a division here, multiplication there. That's what I see first. We'll do the division here. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Okay, so we have a 4 there. Then we have 9 times 3 is 63. So 4 plus 63 is 67. Okay, here we have addition, multiplication, and division. So let's go ahead and we're going to do this multiplication first. 5 times 5 is 25. 25 divided by 1 is, of course, 25. And then 3 plus 25 is 28. Okay, let's go ahead to the next skill, which is Q2. Okay, so we'll go down to Q. Okay, Q2 is write an expression for H reduced by 190. So H reduced by 190. We're starting with the H. So H reduced means subtract by 190. So H minus 190. Okay, here write an expression for 129 minus B. So 129 and then minus B. Okay, write an expression for y increased by 395. So y, and increased, is plus 395. Okay, write an expression for 135 increased by m. So 135 increased by m. Okay, next we have an expression for s decreased by 86. You start with the s. Decrease by 86. There we go. Here we have an expression, write an expression for 185 plus. So 185 plus p. Don't leave any spaces. I don't think you need to leave any spaces. I'm getting them right here. Write an expression for r subtracted from 358. Okay, so here you got to be careful, okay, because it says subtracted from. So we're going to start at the 358, and then you subtract r. Notice the difference there. That's it subtracted from. So we're going to start at the 358. Here, Rodrigo had sent 92 CDs until he won Seymour in a contest. Write an expression that shows how many CDs Rodrigo has now. So he had 92, and then he won, so that would be plus Seymour. Okay. Porter has 81 buttons. He gives away B buttons. Write an expression that shows the number of buttons Porter has left. He started at 81. He gave away B buttons. And there we go. Okay, so let's continue with the next skill, which will be level G as well. And Q3 is what we're looking at. So to go down to Q3. All right. Here, evaluate the expression. All right. So what we do here is we're going to plug in. So 15 divided by B. B is 5. We plug in 5 into B. That's what it equals to. So that would be 15 divided by 5, which is 3. Next, 6 times J. J is 2. So plug that in. 6 times 2 is 12. Okay, next we have 3 plus G. G is 14. Plug in the 14. 3 plus 14 is 17. Okay, next, find the value. S plus 9. S is equal to 4, so plug the 4 in. So that's 4 plus 9 is 13. Okay, next we have Z minus 3. 4Z is equals 12, so 12 minus 3 is 9. 34 plus y, y is 35, so plug that 35 in. 34 plus 35 is 69. Okay, last one here, we'll do 45 divided by Q. Q is 3, so 45 divided by 3 is 15. There we go. Okay, so let's continue on with our last one, level G skills. Let's see, level G, and we're going to do Q5 here. So go down to Q. Q5. So we're just solving simple equations here. Okay, for y. So 84 minus 47 is equal to y. Okay. Well, I know 87 minus 47 would be 40. This is 3 less than that. So that's going to mean that's 37. Okay, here we have 65 plus 98 minus h is equal to 154. To solve this, of course, we can subtract 65 from both sides. 65, let's see, 154 minus 65 would be, let's see, we have, see, 154 minus 54 would be 100, but then 11, so that's 89, okay, and then it's going to leave us 98 minus h is equal to 89. Subtract 98 from both sides, okay, so we have 89 minus 98, which would be a negative 9. Negative h is equal to negative 9 multiplied by negative 1, so that's going to give us 9. Fantastic. Okay, 9 plus 8 is equal to 9 plus 8 is equal to h. H is equal to what? So 9 plus 8 is 17. Okay, here's another one. We have 88 plus 64. 88 plus 64, but then we're subtracting 88. Okay, so I know that I can do the 88 minus 88, which would be 0, so that just leaves me the 64. But you could just go ahead and add these two and then subtract 88, and it's going to give you the same thing, 64. Here we have 13 plus m is equal to 81. Subtract 13 from both sides, so 81 minus 13. 81 minus 13, if this was 81 minus 11, that would be, what, 70? But I'm taking away 2 more than that, so that would be 68. Okay. Here we have k minus 26 plus 63 is equal to 7. Subtract 63 from both sides. That's gonna leave me 107 minus 63 is what, 44, and then add 26 to both sides. So 26 plus 44 is 70. There we go. Okay, and they'll get a little bit harder, but just continue to do the same thing that I was doing there. All right, and the last one, we will go to LevelG, and it is Q5. So let's go down. I think I just did Q5, so I think that's all of them. I did Q1, simplify, Q2, which is write the expression, Q3, which is evaluate, and then finally we did solving the equations. So that's about it for this week. Hope you get them all done, and thanks for listening.